Hi everyone, you have been giving me so much love for the content I'm creating on dhoti draping. A lot of mothers have been asking me to create a video for kids so that they can drape dhotis on their children. And here I am with one such content. Hope you will like it and hope you will watch it and learn from it to drape dhotis on your kids. So this is Sarya and she is 3 years old. For her, we have taken a 2.25 meter fabric. It's a chunni that my mom had. So like this, you have to wrap the chunni around the kid's waist and we have to keep equal length on both the sides, on the left and on the right. After that, you have to make 2 knots from the middle like this. Here, as you can see, I made the first knot and then similarly on top of that, I'll make the second knot. Just like this. You have to be very patient with the kids. Luckily, Sarya was not throwing any tantrums and she was very cooperative. So I took the left side of the fabric like this. You have to pass it between the legs and take it at the back. And as you can see, now the fabric has come at the back. And yes, so this corner of the fabric, you tuck it inside. And this extra loose hanging cloth, you have to pull it out like this. Make sure it's not entangled in the feet. So properly you have to pull it out. So I've pulled it in the front and I have to make 2 pleats like this. You can make as many pleats as possible. So here 2 pleats were possible. So I've made 2 pleats and I've tucked it in around the waist area. So one side is complete and we will do the same process on the right side as well. So I took the corner of the cloth and I took it behind just like I did it the first time. So yeah, after doing that, you have to tuck it at the back like this. Yes, tuck it nicely, make sure it doesn't come out, which is very easy with kids. And then I have to pull out the extra fabric like this. I have to bring it out in the front. After draping it, I realized that I had left a little less length on the right side, so it's a little shorter. So make sure when you are distributing the cloth on the left and the right, you make it equal. So as you can see, the right side looks a little smaller, which can be adjusted. So actually, I later reopened the whole thing and I equally distributed the length on both the sides. So yeah, you have to follow the same process on both the sides. And then the dhoti is ready, as you can see. You can pair it with a kurta like this of your choice. And yeah, it looks very cute on kids. A lot of people also ask me how to pee in a dhoti. So going to the washroom for boys is very easy due to the opening in the front like this. I hope you will try this on your kid. For more such dhoti draping content, subscribe to my channel.